Why do some people never fully recover? They try everything, yet they still feel tired, stressed, or unwell. Maybe because they're treating symptoms instead of the system. Every second, billions of messages are exchanged throughout our body, between the brain, the nervous system, our organs, our metabolism, our emotions, our cells. Life itself is communication. When communication weakens, integration is lost. When integration is lost, adaptation decreases. And when adaptation decreases, performance declines. Over time, health, resilience, and longevity are affected. This is the foundation of the WellneSpirit philosophy. Rather than focusing on isolated symptoms, we restore communication between the body's major systems, because better communication creates better integration. Better integration creates better adaptation. Our methodology is built around 4 connected pillars: the nervous system, metabolic function, emotional regulation, cellular energy. Together, they function as one integrated biological system. The objective isn't simply improving one organ, it's restoring communication so the body can perform the way it was designed to. WellneSpirit, optimize communication, restore integration, unlock human performance. Visit us at wellnesspirit.com.